Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video we will talk about how to add plugin in the Confluence. Okay, so just need to go to the setting. Under the setting you can see the option find new apps. Just click on that. Okay, here you can find out the whatever the plugins are available. Okay, or the integration if you want to do that one. Script runner. Okay, I have added a script runner. Just click on this one. I am using the cloud version, but it's the same thing for the data center version also. No need to worry about. Try it for free. Okay, I want start free trial. Just click on this one. Adding script runner. So you can see adding script runner for Confluence. We will tell you when your app has been added. So it will take some time to add it. Okay, but in the data center version if you are trying to add, then you need to click on the install, and after that it will install it in your server. So once it will install, where you can see this application in your server. Okay, as you can see added. Now click on get started. It's loading the app and a script runner is ready, as you can see over here. But where we can see, just click on the setting button. Under the manage apps you can see, my bad, see this script runner is installed, as you can see it out. Okay, everything you can see over here. Now if you will search for manage apps, just go to manage apps. Under this manage apps you will be able to see the script runner which we recently installed. See, Confluence Cloud adopted script runner for Confluence Cloud. This is the version, this is the vendor. Just go down, license is there. Okay, license SCN, this one. Okay, so like this you can install plugin in your Confluence. Thank you for watching.